if you will, a typical Croatian family having lunch. They are peacefully eating, and their granny is encouraging them to eat more and more. The family do their best and eat as much as they can because they know that if they do not listen to Granny, they will be in big, big trouble. But then, poor Ivan cannot take it anymore. He feels as though he's going to be sick. Freeze! The next thing, which is very dangerous in Croatia, is called propuh, which is translated in English as a draft. From all the cooking Granny has done, the place is pretty stinky. They are eating and the temperature is 42 degrees. The whole family is getting very, very warm. Ivan can't take it anymore. He knows that it is dangerous.
Otprobam prozore.